The best part about living here is waking up in the morning to a neat and brightly lit home. Hi, my name is Shufen and I live here with my husband Bruno and our handsome fur kid Hoji. Our apartment is a 4-room flat with a space of 93 square meters. It's our first home together. We were staying with Bruno's parents before, then we decided to move out and to find our own place. I've lived in Pasir Ris all my life, so I only sought out flats here. I like the peace and tranquility of this neighborhood. The added bonus is that this unit is also very windy. We wanted a minimalist home from the start. I used to have a huge amount of belongings, but then I decided to embrace the minimalist lifestyle with Bruno. We are both working in the fast-paced healthcare sector, so we wanted a zen space to wind down when we return home. We spent around 70k for the renovations, and it involved changing all the floorings into vinyl tiles. The Minimalist Society was the first interior design firm we found in our search. We met up with them and felt that they were true believers in a minimalist lifestyle. So we engaged them immediately and didn't look anywhere else. We initially didn't want a living room feature wall because minimalist obviously, but our designer advised having one as it will help to hide all the wirings. And we are really glad they did because there's no mess of wires and we get to keep all our tech comforts. It is kept relatively simple, adopting the same palette as the rest of our home. There are 2 shelves by the side for display or for adding a touch of greenery. Everything else is stored away in the drawers. We have a sofa from Castlery, but we also like having different options for seating, so we got beanbags from SG Beans. The bar table at the back of the sofa is where we chill out sometimes. It's purposely built tall enough so we can watch the TV from there. Part of this space is now Hoji's hideout. Our kitchen is galley style, with no upper cabinets for an airy look and countertops on both sides. We did a tile backsplash on this side, where we do all the cooking and washing up. It's recessed and the tiles are laid in a herringbone fashion for a more unique spin. The other side of the kitchen is mostly a pantry and prep area, so we did a painted backsplash for it. It was proposed to us by our designer and we love how creative it is. The curved corner helps to soften the look for the space. The bedroom is just as minimalist. We did away with nightstands. Instead, our bedside things are located on this small shelf by the bed. We also like hanging out in the bedroom, so we place a beanbag in the extra space in front of the bed. Located behind the bed is a walk-in wardrobe. It's designed to be an open concept so that we can have a clear view of all our clothes and to make sure we would wear each and every piece regularly. I've been instructed by Bruno to donate the clothes I don't wear, so no wastage in our house. We've lived here for close to 2 years now, and it has been an absolute bliss. Home to us is a place where we seek respite from our busyness and where we can poop as long and as loud as we wish. And this home gives us all that and more.